As a science student, you must have heard about absolute zero. So what is absolute zero? Absolute zero is 0 Kelvin temperature or minus 273 degrees Celsius or minus 460 Fahrenheit at which the molecular movement of matter stops. Under the laboratory conditions of high temperature and under the laboratory conditions of high pressure, this temperature is unattainable. That means 0 Kelvin is unattainable in the laboratory conditions. Now consider this graph with 0 Kelvin at origin. Now according to this graph, this is a linear graph and have temperature on y-axis and molecular vibrations on x-axis. According to this graph, at 0 Kelvin, the molecular movement or molecular vibrations of any gas, any liquid, any matter ceases. So if the molecular movement of the matter have ceased, we can say that its volume is literally zero. So at zero volume, no matter can exist. In other words, at 0 Kelvin, no matter can exist. That was the old story. Now another theory proposed by Mr. Ulrich Schneider, Mr. Schneider, if my German accent is right, proposed the inverse Boltzmann's law to describe how we can attain the 0 Kelvin temperature. According to this theory, it is not the temperature graph is not a straight line. It is rather a curve. It is rather a curve. That means positive temperature can be converted into negative temperature. With 273 Kelvin, it's somewhere between the loop. 0 Kelvin is the temperature from which the loop starts, and just before 0 Kelvin, it is the maximum attainable temperature, or we can say infinity temperature. So if we can attain infinity temperature, we can attain 0 Kelvin. Now Mr. Schneider said that gas is not colder than 0 Kelvin but hotter. It is even hotter than any positive temperature. The temperature scale simply does not end at infinity but jumps to negative value instead. You are confused? But that's what science is. You have to believe what the old man at some Munich university or any university said. This is what science is. We are the science masters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.